Nissan Leaf owners, this is big. If you look at the batteries that are actually right behind me and the ones that are right in front of me, we just got a shipment in of brand new Nissan Leaf batteries. Not refurbished, okay, not remanufactured, brand new. We got these batteries from Envision Automotive Energy Supply Corporation. This is the same corporation that actually makes new Nissan Leaf batteries for Nissan. But we're doing things a little bit differently. You're probably wondering, why am I wearing a Santa Claus hat? It is holiday season and we wanted to come to you with a special gift. But here's the catch. Only for the next 2 weeks, we are selling these new cell Nissan Leaf batteries for less than our remanufactured one. For the next 2 weeks, you're able to get these batteries for only $. We've been in business for over 13 years now, and we've developed a network of 34 locations across the United States, Canada, and in the UK, and we've collectively sold 300 Nissan Leaf batteries. Most people come to us when their battery actually fails, like for example, they drive a Prius, their battery fails, and they need to get it replaced, or if they have some error codes on the dashboard and they kind of want a second opinion. But with Nissan Leafs, it's a little bit different. Actually, 80% of our Nissan Leaf customers are people just like you, where their battery isn't bad yet, but they're experiencing range loss. Their range may go to 50, 40, or sometimes even 30 miles of range, and they need an upgrade. But now everything is changing, because what we're offering now is something Nissan Leaf owners always wanted but never had access to. So let's get straight into it. So for the past 3 years, we've been selling these 40 kilowatt hour remanufactured Nissan Leaf battery packs for $7,999, plus $1,000 installation plus taxes. So you're looking at almost $10,000 total. But now everything is changing, because for the next 2 weeks, you can buy these brand new cell Nissan Leaf battery packs for only $5,999. You're not paying $7,999 for a remanufactured battery. You're paying $5,999 for a new cell battery. So think about that. You're getting an increase in performance, an increase in range, and an increase of warranty from 24 all the way to 48 months with a decrease in price. But saying that, this isn't going to last forever. So if you're watching this video right now and you own a Nissan Leaf, maybe your battery isn't even bad yet, you're experiencing a little bit of degradation in range. It is time, because you'll never get a battery like this, a new cell battery, 48-month warranty from a company that's been in business for over 13 years, who sold over 300 Nissan Leaf batteries, and getting one for this price. So click the link below before the opportunity to do so goes away forever. Merry Christmas, everybody.